next week.
See you soon, bitch! Welcome to the Metal Finisher. My main man Kev and Shawn are holed up, so me and Mitch will be playing host for this episode. There's something a little off with that Kev character. Right? And that damn douche Shawn thinks he's so damn funny! What's with the beard? No doubt, man. I think it's time he shaves them public hairs from his face. I like you, man. Please don't encourage him to shave that thing. You don't want to see what's under it. BTW, the beard is doing us a big favor by hiding half of his face. A lot of people tell me laughter is the best medicine. Well, if that's true, we should post a picture of Kevin in every hospital. Yeah, man, I hate that goofy-looking dork. I'm actually jealous of people that don't know him. Haha, yeah, man. I heard Kevin's old lady's method of birth control is leaving the lights on. Haha, he is so damn ugly. Ah, that's hardcore, brah. If you were to look up skinny fat in the dictionary, you would see a picture of Kevin. Haha, man, I actually saw that in my 1898 edition of the Merriam-Webster Collegiate Dictionary. Sure enough, his picture was in there. He looks like a deflated balloon. More like a Ziploc bag, half filled with yogurt. That's right, playa. If Rob Zombie and Danny DeVito had a child, they would name him Shawn. Then, they would punt him across the delivery room. That's church, brah. The last time I encountered something as smelly and vile as Kevin, I flushed it. Okay. I think we are required to give a tip in this episode. Yeah, man, it's called the Tip Series. Okay, here's the tip. Kevin and Shawn, we all know you have your own way of doing things. People are probably telling you to just be yourself. Well, don't listen to them. It's terrible advice. You're both losers, and being yourself is the last thing you should be doing. Yeah, man, like, be the opposite of who you are.